Welcome back. If you go to your Tools area and go to the Conversion Funnels tab, that's going to bring you to this page. You may have seen the Lead Magnet tab. We now want to look at the Funnels tab. We're going to click on Create Funnel. In this particular case, we can create a lead magnet funnel. We can then click Save and Continue. We can then choose a lead magnet that we have available. And we can use the lead magnet that we have set up. We can click on the lead magnet and we can then click Save. So it's here that GetResponse is walking us through using a wizard to first create a sign-up page. And we will use one of the existing templates to build a lead magnet page. You can see the landing page and the thank you page. You can then click Next Step. It's here where GetResponse will allow you to edit your page. In every place where you put your cursor, you can edit an element. If you double click inside the element, you'll get the WYSIWYG editor. Clicking on top of the image will give you a menu here in this area. You can also customize the thank you page. And again, the customization works in the very same way as it did on the landing page. You can also add in elements to the page, and you have drag and drop elements here in this area. For example, if you want to drag and drop a video, you can drag and drop a video onto your page. What you can do is you can save your changes and you can preview your page. If you've added the elements you want to add, you can then click Next Step. You can give your page a title and description. You can decide on whether or not you want the page to be indexed in the search engines. You can use the GetResponse subdomain or URL, or you can add a new domain here in this area. You can choose to use a default thank you page, or you can customize your own page or keep the individual on the sign up page. If you want to have a double opt-in list, you can choose to have double opt-in here in this area. You can then click Save. Once you have saved your work, you can then publish the page. And you have now finished the first part of the process. You have created the landing page associated with your conversion funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.